Right now I'm filling in her brows, nothing too crazy, just want to fill it in just a little bit. The pencil for her eyebrow is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. It's from Ulta and it's a really great price. Next, I'm highlighting under her brow. You want to make sure it's nice, fresh, sharp, clean looking. So it looks like her eyebrows were just done. The concealer that I'm using is Too Faced Born This Way. This can be purchased from Sephora or Ulta. You also want to go in with a darker shade of the concealer on top of her eyebrow. Next, I went in with the Real Techniques brush 300 to go ahead and smooth everything out. Now I'm filling in the eyebrow just a little bit more because I'm a perfectionist. Now I'm just playing with the makeup at this point. Anytime that I do makeup, it's just how I feel, what I'm feeling that day, and somehow get creative with it. So I played with some light browns. Right now I took a clean brush and I'm just fading everything out so it could blend and look a little soft because I love soft looks. Right here, what I'm doing is using the same concealer that I used from earlier to go ahead and make a cut crease. I'm making a non-formal cut crease, but it turns out great. As you can see, the cut crease is coming along and it really didn't take too much time. I just basically did my own kind of cut crease, and now I'm filling it in with a light colored, what could we call this color? Like a nice light cream color.
You don't say anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when you do, I try to do one way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty so far we be face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one die, I know one die, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon.
Now I'm beginning to put on the foundation. So what I use for foundation is Maybelline Fit Me. It's only about $5 or $6. You can get it at Target. You can get it at Walmart. It's a really good brand. So what I'm doing at this point is patting everything down, just like the pat it in. That's the best way to get your makeup looking flawless, is to pat it in. With the Maybelline Fit Me, I also like to go in with 2 colors instead of 1. It really depends on the person's skin complexion. Sometimes you may need to mix it. Sometimes you could put on 1 at a time. For this particular lady right here, basically what I did was I went in with something that matched her skin exactly. And then I just felt like, let me warm it up a little bit. So I added a darker complexion because we're going to go ahead and use concealer to lighten her face up again. So it's okay to sometimes go with something that's dark. Just make sure it matches the closest to the skin. So once again, going in with concealer, Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And as you can see, I don't like to start off with a lot. I go in with a little bit. I pat it in, tap it in. Sometimes I use a sponge and sometimes I use the Real Techniques brush. And this brush, baby, I love this brush. It is the 402 Real Techniques brush. I have so many of these because you can use it for so many different things. I went in with a little bit of a lighter color for the concealer because I just felt like it wasn't really coming through with the first selection that I had. So just a little bit of that. Remember, a little bit goes a long way when you're doing makeup. As you know, my specialty is soft glam, so a little bit goes a long way. I am now going in with the oh my goodness, Laura Mercier translucent powder under her eye, and I'll be using that in selected areas on her face, like her forehead and her chin. Contour her face, I'm going in with the Morphe contour palette, and let's see, this is really about to change the game. Contour, my favorite part. But I do a nice light contour, nothing too crazy, but it really does change the game. What was life before contour? At this point, for lip liner, you can really go with whatever you feel like. For lip liner, I usually like to do a dark pencil. I do have the Cork by MAC and Chestnut by MAC, but for her, I just use LA Girl right now. Any pencil is fine, honestly, for the lips. Right now I'm going in with some blush, and for her I used a, what color would I say this was? It was like a peachy kind of color, peach, and then I mixed it with another color that was like a little bit of a light purple kind of blush. For the nose contour, I keep it really simple. I like to draw a line with the contour color that I use, and then I just smudge it out. Nothing too dramatic. Like I said, I keep everything very simple.
for me. And send me picture them a story. That's how blessings upon me. And that's how I made to give him the glory. I'm delighted. Jah knows my passion ignited. Got the music me excited. Coming like a potion. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the flux. Yeah. And gratitude is a must. Yeah. Me see blessings fall by my right hand. Was a toast for the friends but take off baby load one time. Did sit down in a class and we poured them.
I went ahead and I did the lashes off camera, but as you can see, everything is coming along. I'm just applying the mascara on the bottom of her lashes, and I've also used the Fenty highlighter on her as well. It's something that you guys seen. That's why her skin is glowing. Then under her eye, I go ahead and I use the CoverGirl. Let me make sure. It is the Maybelline Fit Me, once again, matte poreless powder, and I use that under her eye for right now. She's all done. She's looking really good. Good. Ooh, look at her. Okay, guys, so she's done, and this was the last video capture that I got of her. Thank you guys for watching. It has been a journey, but I will continue the journey. And thank you for being a part of it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.